So this is an itel A16 Plus, and this is a screen and LCD replacement. Now we have already opened the back cover, and what we are going to do is, I had already started testing the replacement screen, but this is how the older dead screen was. It has the LCD layer, which is separate from the touch layer, and yeah, so let's get right at it. Now let me first disconnect this because I have to glue it into the frame, and so let me unplug my new replacement screen. Let me get these ribbons off of the frame. I don't need to lift the screen, so I'm only going to disconnect the touch. Okay, lift that, and then my touch should be able to come out right there. When the LCD wants to come along, that's weird. Okay, so this is out, and this is my LCD. Now this is the frame of the phone. That means I am going to have to put adhesive around here and be able to proceed. Okay, so let me get my adhesive. Here it is. Now let me apply the adhesive here onto the frame of the phone generously. You're watching a movie? You can't play if it's a movie. If it is a song, no? Eh? Kali. Are you sure? There are subtitles. Using imaginations. Okay, I noticed I should have cleaned here before starting to place the adhesive, but it's well. Let me do it after. Okay, so I have cleaned that already. Now let me place my adhesive. Now around the frame. the adhesive is oozing out very slowly. I don't know when it's coming out slowly whether it's also fit to say oozing, because I feel like oozing seems to suggest it's a huge volume coming out. But yeah, it is. Yeah, it's getting out very slowly. Okay. I feel my thumb is now tired of trying to squeeze it out. Right there. Okay. Turn it to this side. Yep. Hello? Hello? Yes? Kanji kamfune simu. 256 because I'm calling the 2563. Hey, haya kale.
Hello?
This guy is not serious. Okay, so put there like that. Okay, so now the adhesive is placed there. Okay. Why is he saying he will send it?
He's saying he has talked to you, so
He took him away before I could object.
and then we have letters from that on the chopping 40.
Which one? Yeah, I know.
You really don't.
I know. I don't chop his on here. You're going to find him in office?
Yeah. My boss refused to go. Now I'm riding a bicycle this time.
I know. The guy can really sound bossy. When such those things, I just first keep quiet. First keep quiet. In the morning, he was like, I just kept quiet, but like yesterday was Sunday. There was no way. I know he has that bossiness.
Yeah, the bossiness.
Yeah. But I think when he realized I was cool, he was like, yeah, then he spoke about, will it be done today?
So it's almost done. I said I have to go with it.
Anyway, I want to first test it, then. I mean, the nigga has.
Even wait for tomorrow. I told him, let me go to work tomorrow.
Now. How far is that?
Because you also put you in pressure. You know Mego Hospital?
Yeah.
The problem is the hill when you're going.
I know. Yeah.
It's cold.
Already.
Tell him how to manage them. You just put your phone off or you do what you do.
Yeah,
Manage spray. Hello? Hey, I'm going to testing. Oja?
Mugamba azikuwa ozibete.
Akoyaje?
So, here. Okay, so you shouldn't go. I know, I think he looked at it also. Okay, cut it. Let me peel off this polythene. right there. This is, I think, a protective layer, if I'm certain. Is it? Hope I don't peel off my screen. Okay, it is a protective layer indeed. And that comes off like that. And then also on the touch, so I've replaced both the LCD and the touch. I need to pick this off. Okay, that also comes off like that. And then now I can bring the two surfaces together for bonding. Push it right in there. Last time when you were to pick these ones, like, I can't enter Makerere. The people don't want to see me. I'm like, I'm like, now this one.
Should I open?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so press it down.
Yes.
Okay, then plug this right down into the frame. Yes, okay. Yes, how are you?
Be busy.
I am trying to be busy. Okay, close that into place. Yes, the good news. Okay.
I think I'll talk to you later when you're not very busy.
Correct. So now let me bring the back cover and then place it onto the frame like that. Having placed that into the frame, I believe my power buttons are intact, and bring the battery in. Now I'm going to hit the power button to test the screen before I tie the threads into place. So the display is fine. Now what remains is testing the touch. As the phone powers on, it takes really long. Let me be putting the screws at the back. Okay. I don't know why I keep misplacing my screwdriver. That one is a bit big, but would it work? There's no knowing. Let me just test it and try with it and see. It is hidden. Just hidden. It's still powering on. Strange. Slow phone. How do I? Oh, okay.
Hello.
Okay, I found one that shall work.
Sorry?
Close there.
Oh, okay. Let me put on my engine.
Close this.
Let me switch. This is engine, right?
Close that. Then this. Then that. Do you think you can grab change? Yeah.
I changed. It's okay.
Yeah.
No, Mama will want me to buy something.
Because that I felt like it has gone on, so let me work it up. Swipes, swipes. Okay, so the touch 2 works, so we are good to go. Let me now put in the screws and then put my legendary threads. That's that. That's that. There. Up there. So today is leaving office early. I think he really wants to see the place. But the guy always chooses to speak to me in Luganda. Even when I try to push him to English, like wapi. To him, technicians speak Luganda. I may find he never speaks Luganda anywhere else. Okay, now let me put the threads to hold it down for the final dry. Like that, all the way. And by the way, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and be certain to share. It means a lot to us. On lookout. See you in the next video.